What are we gonna look at?
We're gonna look at a big machine.
A big excavator. Daddy found one parked on the side of the road close. Let's go look at it.
Of our favorite hotel.
Yep, right next to our favorite hotel that's got our favorite
Pool.
chicken quesadillas and our favorite pool.
Like little steps.
Look at this big excavator. Whoa. Look at it. Is that a big one, guys?
Yeah.
Look at it. Come on. Let's
Fire.
check it out.
Whoa.
Let's try it. Let's look at it.
Whoa. This step is
Oh my goodness, this is a big one, guys. Look at it. Look at this big machine. Look at the size of the bucket on that thing. That is a big bucket.
I never saw that bucket that big until ever.
Look at it. I wonder if it's got anything in it. Nope. Look at that bucket. Isn't that thing huge?
Yeah.
Whoa! That thing is big. Junie, look at me. You guys look. Gotcha. Oh my goodness.
Would it be amazing if this was actually yours?
Yeah, I need one of these, don't I?
Yeah.
Junie, what is that? Is that the track? Is that the track? Track? Look at me. Is this a track right here? Right here. Is this a track? What is this right here? What is this? What is it?
This thing is hard as a rock.
Look at that. Yeah. This is the greatest thing, huh? You know what the next greatest thing would be?
What?
We got to drive it.
Oh,
Wouldn't it?
yeah.
Yeah. Wow. This is a big machine.
Look at that big pool.
Yeah. That's a big one.